right, welcome back to ET Energy World. I am your host Himanshi Tiwari, and we are joining you from the India Energy Week 2025. Right now, we are joined by Ankit Kohli, who is the director at Sanmish Energies. Ankit, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
All right, Sanmish Energies is focused more on clean energy, smarter solutions. In this regard, what are those trends that you foresee are shaping the India's energy sector?
First of all, India's energy sector is very much now on renewable side. The focus of government, the push by the government. So we are seeing a major shift from fossil. And if everything goes right, so 2030, India will be a
Okay.
totally changed country. Now, when we talk about the renewable, we are more focused on CBG and CNG. In that, with the advent of Satat scheme, even the small entrepreneurs or the small
Mhm.
investors came into the business, and thus they are shaping the green energy future of India.
Okay.
So I see it as a very bright thing that is going to happen. Even a small farmer is part of India's energy mix now.
All right. Thank you for sharing that insight with us. The future is bright, as you said, perhaps green,
Green.
perfectly green. On that note, you were also talking about CNG and CBG. So please help us understand what role do you see CNG and CBG playing in India's clean energy mix, and also how can their adoption be accelerated at this point in time?
Ma'am, talking about the India's energy mix, government has this ambitious target of taking CNG to 15% of the total energy mix. And with that, government has asked all the players to at least have 5% of that CNG from CBG. So
Mhm.
there's a huge role that these are going to play. Now the clean energy or the greener India, if we talk about, everybody remembers Delhi of 95 to 2000, which was
Hmm.
very black,
Yeah.
like we are seeing these days. But this is the reasons may be different these
Yeah.
times. But at that time, when the Supreme Court intervened and introduced CNG in Delhi,
Mhm.
everybody saw how the things changed. It
Mhm.
became more green. So the advent of CBG in CNG is making more business opportunities, is bringing farmers to the energy sector of India.
Mhm.
Now the farmers are growing energy crop and they are helping India being to become energy independent.
Okay. On that note, how is your company? Because you also talk about smarter solutions,
Right.
right? So, how are you leveraging technology and innovation to enhance the efficiency and also sustainability at the same point in time?
Right. So in Sunmix Energies, ma'am, we believe in finding new products or finding new solutions for the industry. So with the experience of 15 years in this field with a very famous city gas distribution company, I thought of doing something of my own in which I can do what I feel like doing. So we went ahead and we formed this company. We introduced many new in the industry. Till now, CNG was seen as the replacement of LPG only when the pipeline is there. With our smaller cascades, with our innovative PRS system, which are very cost efficient also and very easy to handle. We introduced CNG as a replacement of the LPG cylinders, even where the pipelines are not there. With
Okay.
the high capacity cascades that we build, we are making the transportation very cheaper and thus making CNG more affordable at the remotest part of the country. So these are some things that we are into, we're
All
trying
right.
to do.
All right. See, we are at the cusp of energy transition, right?
Right.
When it comes to accelerating India's clean energy transition, what policies or industry collaborations do you think will help us to achieve that ambitious goals that we have perhaps set for ourselves?
Ma'am, the biggest push is the push from the government. And the biggest requirement is the change of mindset. People should understand that we need this thing. This is not something we can opt for. We need to go green.
Yeah.
So this mindset should come, and the government push is there.
Mm.
But yes, with this platform, I would request that uh, just bringing in the technology, bringing in the availability of gas doesn't will is going to solve the problem. Not to the extent the adaptability has to be increased. So if the government can think on how we can reduce the price of conversions, how we can accelerate the more conversion of vehicles. Uh, Currently, the GST is at the highest point of
Yeah.
28% on
Yeah.
retrofitment.
Yeah.
If we bring it down to 5%, which we are providing to EVs, the CNG is going to accelerate. So these are some pushes which we see the government must think of.
All right. So do you think that, putting CNG at the same stature as we have put EVs at this point in time will solve most of our problems?
Ma'am, see, we have complete infrastructure of CNG, and we have like approximately 98% of India's land area is now awarded in CGDs. So we are already generating that thing. See the case of Delhi. We have 100% of the Delhi depots were converted to CNG.
Hmm.
Now what happened? We introduced EV. EVs should have been taken to the places where CNG is still not there, because CNG is already a green fuel. We are putting in more efforts on the places which are already having the best solution of the world. Right now, we are seeing countries coming into CNG, or we have become pioneer in that. So shifting those things from Delhi to some other place which actually doesn't have CNG would have been a better option. I feel, given the investment commitments that India have received, we should trust on the industry and we should promote CNG more in the transport sector. EVs should be limited to two-wheelers, although all the companies are coming up, the things are going in, but the thrust to CNG should be there.
All right. So the thrust to CNG should be there, and of course, the example. I'm sure the policymakers would listen to
Let's
this.
hope.
Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope for the best. And on that note, thank you so much for being
Thank
a
you very
part
much.
of this discussion at the India Energy Week. Thank you. And to our viewers, stay tuned for many more such insightful discussions only at ET Energy World as we are joining you from the India Energy Week 2025.